Hey everyone, welcome back to Noor Telecom. Today we are going to fix an iPhone 11 short circuit issue. So, let's get started. Remove the screws and connectors to take out the logic board. We'll use a SIM ejector to remove the SIM tray. After separating all the parts, we'll carefully take out the logic board. Now we need to check with a multimeter to see if there is any short circuit. Now I will place it on the preheating station to separate the logic board and the signal board. Then I will check with the Wushin G to find out where the problems are occurring. Now I will connect the logic board to the power supply using the thinner. Check which ICs are shorting. And then I will remove them. Now I will connect it to the power supply to check if the display is getting power or not. Yes, the display is receiving power, which means the short circuit issue is no longer present. Now I will place it back on the preheating station to reattach the logic board and the signal board. Now I will connect the logic board connectors. Then I will attach the display connector. Now I will power it on. Now the phone is fixed, which means the problem is solved.